Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I grew my hair in the space of 1 year. Yes guys, so with just 2 ingredients. If this is what you're interested in, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. My YouTube is all about DIY for hair growth, motherhood and vlog. If you're interested in, kindly stay tuned. So guys, the first ingredient we're using is rosemary. Rosemary is really powerful for your hair growth. Like if you want to grow your hair, you need to add rosemary to your hair regimen. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon for this. I'm going to be leaving the benefits also on the screen. Then we are going to be using cloves. Ever since I discovered clove last year, I've been using this on my hair growth spray and I've been seeing beautiful results. So I'm using a cleanser just like this. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoons of this and I'll add hot water. Okay, this I've already done this off camera and I'll allow this to sit for 8 hours and this is what we have. So I'm going to strain this like this. I'm straining out the water, and after I strain out the water I will put this in my spray bottle. So fam, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Let me know in the comment section, have you tried these 2 combo together? Like I've been using this on my hair growth journey and I've been seeing beautiful results. I use this for 2 weeks and I'll show you guys at the ending of this video my hair growth. So I'm also adding tea tree and peppermint tree to this. I always close my hair with a satin hair scarf just to secure those my edges. Like I'm trying to regrow those my edges out really fast and really quick. So far I'm just going to apply this all over my edges, everywhere on my hair, and I'll massage this very well, and you will see at the ending of this video the result of 2 weeks of using this on my hair. Like my hair roots, you see my hair root, there was massive hair growth on my hair roots. Like this is my hair roots right now when I'm doing this, but when you see the result of my hair roots at the ending of this video, you will understand that this actually works. So please give this a try if you are struggling for alopecia, if you are struggling from hair loss, hair thinning. This is going to help you out. I'm using a moringa oil. I have this on my channel. Please check it out. So fam, I think I have come to an end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. So don't forget to, as I said earlier, subscribe if you are new. Please get me to 4 or 5k subscribers this year. Alright, bye for now.